This is episode 5, and today I will show you Google Sheets keyboard shortcuts. So to access the keyboard shortcuts, you can either do Command slash or you can just go to Help and go all the way to the bottom. So a couple of the editing shortcuts that I use. So for copying, I use Command C. For pasting, Command V. For undoing and redoing, I do use Command Z and Command Y just because I find it easier than always going back to the editing tool and then trying to do copy or paste. So for menu keyboard shortcuts, I usually don't use that because I feel like that's a bit excessive and it's kind of harder to memorize these menu shortcuts. For formatting, I generally use aligning center, so I do like to remember Command Shift E. It just makes it easier. For formatting text, I remember bold, italics, and underline because it's just the first letter of the word, so hence Command B, Command I, and for underline, Command U. To insert a chart, it's just Option F1. If you don't know what F1 is, it's just the button you use to decrease the brightness. And to select everything, I just do Command A. So for select all, I find this is really useful when you want all of your cells to follow a certain formatting specifications. So if you want all of your cells to be aligning in the center, you do Command A, and then you avoid having to go to each and every cell. Select column and select row, I don't find that to be useful because you can just press on it and it selects for you. For file commands, I don't use Command O, but I do use Command P because it's useful when you're printing. You don't have to press this icon each and every time. I find that these are very, very useful when you're trying to do things quickly and it increases your productivity. So if you're interested in learning about how to format a table so that it is presentable and easy to read, make sure to check out my next video, and remember they come out on Wednesdays and Fridays. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.